Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you very special delicious. So guys can see this is white rice. You can see garnishing on top like green beans and carrot. So either in your home or the place of your work, if you want to serve your guests, don't give them plain rice. Understand? Make sure you garnish it with green beans and carrot. You know how you go do am? This is green beans and carrot inside the white rice that I garnish. This is how I will portion it and serve guests. If guests order it now, I just pick it and microwave it. It's cooked. The rice is done already. I can just pick it and microwave it. Then you serve it with your stew, any choice of protein like chicken or anything. You can use it and serve it with it. That is all. Then you can put salad by the side or fry plantain by the side if the person wants. If the person don't want, you can serve it like this, plain like this. So it's good to garnish your rice. If you like jollof rice, you can cut green beans and carrot and garnish it just as I do it like this. So you can even add sweet corn if you have, but if you don't have sweet corn, this one is enough to garnish it and serve the rice plain like that. If you garnish it like this, it look attractive. Even the person is not hungry, you go hungry by force to eat all the food, can even request more than give a plain rice without no garnishing. It's not good. It's not look attractive at all. So I will tell you now how I take cut it. If you cut it in cube, make sure you wash your carrot and your green beans very well. You cut it in cube, cut the carrot in cube, cut the green beans in cube, then put water on the pot, boil the water. After you boil the water, pour your carrot and the green beans inside the water. Then carry a turning stick or spoon, anything, and stir it. After you do it, carry baking powder little, put it to bring the greenness out. After you put baking powder, you turn it. Just off the light and filter it. Pour the cold water. Make sure you pour cold water till the vegetable is cool. Then leave it to dry. After you don boil your rice finish, put your rice in the strainer, allow it to drain water and allow the rice to cool. Then after the rice cool, the vegetable cool, you now pour the vegetable on top of the rice. Then you mix them together. Then you portion it or you pour it inside the container. How you want to do it, you can do it. You can even do it and serve your children. Your children will love it very well. So anything I do, I will show to you people because I love you guys very well. So this is my white rice. I want to serve my guests or even in my home. I want to cook. I can't cook just plain white rice. If you garnish it with green beans and carrots, you are enjoying it. And if you are eating it, you will love it. And you will eat more. Maybe you want to eat small quantity, you will not end up eating more quantity. So this is about all garnishing. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and share. I love you guys. Anything I do, I share with you people because I love you guys. I know you guys too love me, and I'm still begging you guys, keep on subscribe and share and comment. We meet again in my next video. Bye.